Thank you so much for being with us here, no? And on behalf of Mega Pride, we appreciate for this gesture, no, from you guys. Alam ko kung matagal nyo lang. Lagi kayo nakapunta sa mga event namin, so I think I see some familiar faces here. But today we have an exciting conversation later on. And we're eager to share how Mega Surgeons is not just a part of Filipino homes, but also making waves globally as a trusted and health-forward brand. I am Ellen Manala. I am the United Marketing Communications Senior Manager of Mega Prime Foods. And with me are my colleagues po, Angge Quizon, the Brand Manager of Mega Sardines, V. Encontro, the PR and specialist natin. And of course, we're joined also by our PRD, yun. But later on, our heads po will be with us.